Laroya.
Okay, Mr. Morris Laroya. Could you please wait a moment? I'll just make your name to our reservation list.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting, Mr. Laroya. This way, please. Will this place be alright to you, Mr. Laroya?
Yes, this is perfect. Thank you.
Please, have a seat. May I unfold the napkin for you, sir?
Yes, please.
Excuse me for a moment, sir. Would you like to have a water, sir?
I would love to. Three.
I would like to introduce myself to you, sir. I'm Camila Salinas, your food server for today.
Nice meeting you.
You're welcome, sir.
Three.
Excuse me, sir. Here's our beverage list. I'll pick your order whenever you are ready.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. I would like to recommend to you our dessert right now.
Sure.
Can I have the beverage list, sir? Here's your white wine, sir. Are you done with your white wine, sir?
Yes.
Can I get the white wine?
Sure.
Excuse me, sir. Here's our menu card. I will take your order when you're ready.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. I would like to suggest something for you.
Okay.
For your main course, I would like to suggest our pork tonkatsu. And for your dessert, I would like to suggest our knickerbocker.
I would like to order all of that.
May I repeat your order, sir? Your order is pork tonkatsu and knickerbocker. Please wait a moment. Here's your pork tonkatsu, sir. Are you done with your meal, sir?
Yes.
Can I clear your plate, sir?
Sure.
Here's your knickerbocker, sir. Enjoy your dessert.
Thank you.
Are you done with your knickerbocker, sir?
Yes.
Can I clear your plate, sir?
Sure.
Here's your bill, sir.
Here's my payment.
I have received an amount of 2,000 pesos, sir. Here's your change, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for dining, sir.